find laundry room on every deck. Onboard laundry was a game changer. It was fast, clean, and super easy to use. 40 minutes for a wash and 70 minutes for the dryer. We brought 4 laundry sheets and we used every single one. For C days especially, book the kids club sessions in advance. Free slots open every 8:30 in the morning before the session, and only one family is allowed to check in at a time, so you could wait up to 20 minutes if you're last in the queue. These are the times that it opens, and it's really worth the break. The kids have so much fun, and for his last day he got a graduation gift. It was a water bottle and a certificate. If you have an allergy, the Iona staff takes it very seriously. Harvey has a peanut allergy, and the head waiter came over to tell us that we had to pre-order all of his meals in advance. This meant that we had to go to the restaurant we wanted to dine at night before and order his food from the kids menu to secure an early reservation. It was a hassle at first, but having reservations was good actually. Dining can take up to 2 hours if you wait for each course. We learned that you can ask for all the courses to come at once, which means you cut it down to about an hour. Way more manageable when you have little ones.
When I say, Mommy.
That means really good.
Yeah. Mommy, it's too good.
Oh, it's too good?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. No, thank you. I'll let you have it now.
This is going to be like a 30-minute video.
At the Horizon, children's tea is served at 5 p.m. This early dinner session is ideal for kids, with special appearances from Wallace and Gromit and even dinosaurs. It's a fun, relaxed way to feed kids before the evening activity starts at 6 o'clock.
T-Rex! He's super happy about that, because that's what he is. It's just amazing. Wow, that's making you nice and sleepy.
Oh, it's gone to sleep.
The food is more kid-friendly and it's chips, boiled broccoli, biscuits, so yeah, easy. After the tea, head straight to the clubhouse for 6 o'clock to 6:45. The kids get theatre classes and interactive fun with the entertainers, Harrison and Morgan. Meanwhile, parents can grab a tray of food from the quays and enjoy dinner while kids are being entertained. It's a total game changer. They also have a pirate session for kids, colouring pirate hats, then treasure hunt adventure,
Wow!
robotics activity where you can control a ball with an iPad.
Wow!
Straight after is the kids' dance party that starts at 6:45 every night. It's a perfect way to burn any remaining energy before bedtime. The speakers can get quite loud, so I'd bring headphones next time to tune it out. I had no idea why we ended up on the stage, but we just went with it. Harvey's so proud to be given a sticker whilst dancing. Lounging on the window couch was our favourite part of the cabin. It was also a launch pad for Harvey.
Jump on the bed! 3, 2, 1, lift off!
And change.
It's also a good place to have tea breaks too. The whole cabin is magnetic, so bring magnetic hooks for hanging jackets, magnetic tiles for kids to play with, and anything else magnetic. We even saw families with magnetic shoe organizers and fun decorations for the cabin door. Hey, we're in Flåm today and we're walking to the railway station to see if we can find a ticket to get onto the railway. Yeah, it's a small city. It's so beautiful here. We missed out on the railway.
Does my face look disappointed? Oh, it's fine.